How to do animations on Premiere Pro. Now, one way is you can download custom presets and use it. Now, that's a separate video. In this video, I will show you easy animations for Mac user. Just press on your video on your timeline and go on Effect Control at the top left. Under Effect Control, we will be using this area called Motion to add custom motion animation. Let's say I want to add a slow zoom in. I can click on this tool watch under position and scale, and this two triangle is going to appear. Then I can go a bit ahead and then I can choose where I want the zoom. I can then just zoom over here like this from scale, and from position I can choose my position like this, and like this a keyframe has been created. Now this is how it's going to start. Basically I'm just going to mute it, and this is how it's going to look at this slow zoom in. All right, now I can make the zoom slow, or I can make it really fast by keeping this close. All right, so in an easy way to understand, this is your starting frame, this is how it's going to look like. This is your ending frame, this is how it's going to look like. You can even add more frames over here by customizing it like this. So I hope you understand how to do animation. Now there's more complex animation. For that you need more experience on Premiere Pro, but that's just the basic gist of how you guys can do animation on Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.